What the fuck was that? Hello. I'm going to show you a quick little trick that will really probably annoy a lot of people. It's very easy. You hold your fingers like this. What you want to do is create a vacuum on a flat not a flat surface, but on the surface that's moldable. Create a vacuum and then break the vacuum, thus creating a popping sound. Now the surface that I like to use is flesh. It takes a little bit of practice, but just hold your fingers like this, push them flush to your face, and make the popping sound. This is great if you're at school. When I was at school, I used to sit in the back and just make a popping sound. What the fuck was that? Very good. Very easy. Very annoying. Very interesting. You'll like it. A little bit of practice and you'll be an expert.